Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add YouTube audio library music to your videos. So this is a full video. I'm going to show you how you can do it. So you want to stick around and watch. All right. So I'm going to head over to youtube.com as you can see right here. And I'm going to click my profile in the upper right and go into the YouTube studio. So this is a channel that I have, a little dummy one. Let's say that I use for teaching tutorials just like this. And let's say I want to download the music from the YouTube audio library. I want to look for it on the left side, and you'll find the audio library. You click on it. And so once you search for the music, let's say I click in the search right here, and I want to look for something specific. I can click on a genre and I'm going to choose, for example, hip hop right here. Click on apply, and it's going to filter all of those hip hop music for me. And so you want to search for the music that you want. You can go to different page. You can click the play on the left side, and you can listen. And once you find something, you hit download. So I'm going to hit download right here. And you can see it is downloaded, right? Now, how do I add this into my music or my video? Now, how do I add this onto a video for YouTube? So I can go ahead and I can minimize. You want to have your video editor ready, so you need to have a video editor on your computer. So I'm going to open up my CapCut right here. And let's say this is the video, right? I need to have the audio. So I can either click on import right here and then media, and it's going to open up my file explorer and so forth. And I can basically search for it and so forth, right? Another way I can do is to open up my file explorer as I showed you. So I can go to my downloads. Here you can find the downloads. Here's the folder. And I'm going to just take this music and drag it right onto my CapCut in the media section. So you can see now the audio is there. So how do I add this now to my video? I can take the video, I can drag it onto the timeline. Once it is on the timeline like this, I can now click on the audio and I can drag it onto the timeline as well. And you can see it is on the timeline and I can adjust the volume as I want. Let's say I want it very low. I can make it like that and something like that. And I can adjust it and something like that. So let's say this is the finished product. All I have to do is click on export at the top right. And here you can see that it now I can give it a name, test, and just click on export. And that's it. It's going to export the video for me. Once it is done, the music will be in it. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.